Hi, my name is Birgitta Werner, and I am a retired woman from Stockholm, now living in a small town 200 kilometers northwest from Stockholm. I have 3 grown-up children and 4 grandchildren. I am an accountant, and nowadays I work part-time, and I want to make more money in when I without any time pressure. My interests are nature, and I'm also a teacher in Yin Yoga, which I started for about 3 years ago, and it has helped me a lot. And I'm also interested in healthcare, especially in a company called Zinzino and their balance oil. That's a little about me. Bye. See you soon.